Good morning, small players. Welcome to another episode of Pre-Market Scanning, where we go over our morning gapper scanner, look what stocks have been picked up overnight, and analyze them for support and resistance levels. The support and resistance levels are used to create trade plans. A break or bounce on either one of the levels triggers an entry. Resistance levels are used for profit taking, and support levels are used for a place for us to place our stop loss or a risk level. Okay, let's see what we have this morning. The scanner was a little quiet, so I was waiting for a little more stocks to get picked up. So we have more charting to do together. The first one is PROG. You guys, if you have been watching these streams, you know it's frequently on scanner. Been trading it quite a lot over the course of the past couple of months. It has a nice chart. I like this higher lows into the same high is normally a setup that sets up for a short squeeze. So a break above 4 here can squeeze it very violently. In the meantime, it's trailing this EMA 20 and VWAP very nicely. So, a bounce there would be a bounce trade. So that's probably the top stock for the day, just because of the amount of volume it currently has. CRTD, not a stock that's unknown to us. We've definitely traded this before. Right now, it's below all indicators, so not something that I am interested in at this particular time. This level of 4 seems very important, so if it breaks above 4, I'd be interested, but I'm not even going to put it on the watch list. So just if it breaks above it, Thinkorswim will let me know, and then I'll worry about it. If it breaks above 4, it gets interesting because it has a lot of room to, the resistance levels for profit taking. But yeah, before that, down here, just not interesting. GGPI, also something we've been trading a lot this week and late last week. At this point, we should check BAMSAC to see if they have a registration for a secondary offering, a shelf registration, because it's been moving quite a lot for a few days. We can just do these from yesterday. This level is pretty big, 1505. A lot of rejections there. So if it drops to 1505, oh, never mind, it's 1530. I was looking at the low. Let me just see one. Yeah, 1530. If it drops to 1530, I take a bounce trade there. It has a double top on 1595, so a break above that at a squeeze level. Yeah, definitely another stock we'll be watching a lot today. BTB also something that popped up on scanner a few days ago. Why is this on scanner now, though? This one's setting up a potential dead cat bounce setup. We like those. I think we went over them last week or maybe a couple weeks ago on the streams. I don't love this chart though for a dead cat bounce, so we'll see if it picks up some more volume and some more interest. We can worry about it, but until then, I'm not too concerned with it. This one, if it bounces on EMA 20, I trade that. Otherwise, break above VWAP is also a trade. It has a lot of room to high up day. So it would be nice, but right now it's in no man's land. Volume too low there. I mean, all of these lower volume stocks are actually stocks that we have traded at some point. So if they pick up volume, traders will pay attention to them because they're known names. Okay, so let's just go over it again. Let's clean up the watch list from the stuff that we were trading yesterday. I had put in this one on the watch list too. This was a recent IPO. We traded it on IPO day. It's gapping up again, so it'll probably have attention. The EV stocks have been. I'm sorry. The EV stocks have been hot lately with the Tesla moves, and we actually just got into an option trade last night before the bell rang on Lucid, which had good earnings, so we're expecting those calls to open up 300% in gains, which is amazing. We can put that one on the scanner actually too. Yeah, obviously a break above 50, squeeze level, bounce on this level would be nice. 1 minute chart, bounce on this level would be nice. Squeezed quite a lot, so it would be nice to pull back a little bit. Because if it just broke 50 now, after making 7 green candles in a row, 5-minute candles in a row, short sellers can be very aggressive with it. Okay, so we have that. We have PROG. This one we're waiting. This one is interesting. Nothing there yet. Nothing there yet. Nothing there yet. I mean, this one's a good chart. Volume's a little low, but I like the chart, so we should put it in a watch list so we don't forget about it. Okay, that's enough. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this morning. I hope to see you in the chat room so we can trade together. Happy trading.